Alright, today I'm replacing this god-awful, ugly antenna. I'm going to put a little stubby on there and show you how it's done. Alright, so somebody must have cranked this antenna down really tight. So all I did, I just grabbed a pair of these and, just broke it free just a little bit. Alright, so I got the antenna out and I'm replacing it with the Max Racing AM/FM radio antenna. So let's see what this looks like. It's not bad. It's a lot shorter than what I expected, but we'll get it on and see how it looks. So in the packet, it comes with different sizes. So if your antenna has different thread size, this looks like the fat one to me, that gives you options. So for the Dodge 2500, it's going to be the short, stubby one that fits perfect. And here we go. And that's it. It is on. That's much different. And I like it. So I'll put a link in this video on where you guys can get it. And good luck putting it on. It's pretty easy.